Hi, welcome to Logic Roots. This video covers Monster Sock Factory, Gameplay 2, Pro Shipper. Let's get started. Best viewed horizontally, and pause wherever you need to. You've mastered Shipped, now step it up. Pro Shipper adds bigger, tougher orders to the mix. Shuffle the easy and challenge order cards together, but keep wild cards out. Strew all the sock packets across the factory floor, and place the sand timer where everyone can see it. Flip the timer. Draw from the deck. You might get an easy order or a big challenge order. Either way, you ship it. Pick your monster. The 9-legged monster means you need packets of 9. That's a bigger challenge. Search for packets of 9 and count as you grab them. 9, 18, 27. When you hit 81, say it. 9 times 9 is 81! Shipped! Draw a new card, easy or challenge, and keep shipping as a team until the timer runs out. Count your shipped orders. Pro shippers, try to beat your own best score. You all win. Now go play with math. Ready for the next level? Watch Gameplay 3, I pack, you pack. The link is right here.